Just to finish up our chat, there's been a couple of recent publications in the national media about air pollution.
Yeah.
And some of your Green Party colleagues have been very strong on air pollution. You've done a bit of work in air pollution yourself. Would you like to tell us about that?
Yeah, I had a motion passed at the Metropolitan Council calling for increased air monitoring. Waterford City, if you believe it, Waterford City and County has only one monitor to monitor air pollution. And it's put right up at the top of the city, right up on top of Browns Road, where you're least likely to get high readings. But even there, any of the cold, still nights that we've been having recently, you get a huge spike in something called particulate matter. So it's from the burning of smoky fuels, be it coal or wet wood or whatever it is. Now we know that particulate matter has huge links to incidence of asthma in children and incidence of COPD in the older population. It's something that hugely affects people. You have a huge amount of, it's estimated that we have 1,000 people who die in complications. This is per year, and these are EPA figures. That up to 1,000 people per year in Ireland die prematurely due to air pollution. What I've called for, just in very concrete terms, is to get increased air monitoring across the city in places where we know that there's a problem. Up around Barrack Street, down around Polebury, out in Port Law. I was canvassing Dungarvan last night, and you could feel it in your lungs as you were walking around the housing estate. Dungarvan, by the way, has been exempted from this smoky coal ban that was brought in by Richard Brayton because it felt something like 500 people under the population threshold. First step is monitoring and assess the scale of the problem. After that, we really do need to tackle, it's a huge health issue, 1,000 people per year who are dying prematurely. We need to tackle the issue, but we need to get the information first. That's the starting point. Understand the scale of the issue, and from there we can take the steps that we need. But then you start moving into things like retrofitting to, reduce our dependency on smoky fuels. That'll help us tackle things like fuel poverty. The people who live in the worst homes, the most poorly insulated homes, are our poorest people, and they're throwing coal into a fire, and 90% of that energy is going straight up the chimney. So, in tackling air pollution, you're also going to be tackling fuel poverty issues as well.
Excellent. Marc, thanks a million for your time. Best of luck with the election.
Thanks very much.